of Life Under the Sea, and if you can realize, today we're in Disney Hotel because we're in Hong Kong Disneyland, and today we're staying at the Hollywood Hotel. And it's also my birthday because it's February, and today we're going to be opening some toys. These are Disney Doorables, and they're very, very cute toys that you can put in the houses, and they're a collectible series, and they're also special editions, and they're very cute for me especially. So we're going to open them up. So the first Doorable we have is the Mickey Mouse Doorable, and that's his house. It comes with Bluetooth doghouse and a surprise figurine inside. So yeah, you can collect all, so you can make it just like an apartment or like a whole building. There, I opened it up. This is what's inside, and it comes with this list. These are the accessories. This is Mickey Mouse, and if you can see, he's so cute because even his eyes are very sparkly, and it actually looks like a Funko Pop because his head is so huge, and it makes it look very cute like a baby Mickey Mouse.
What a hot dog day!
And this is Pluto's house, and this I think is their, I'm not sure what this is. Let's figure it out. Okay, so I'm going to open Mickey up, and this is his super cute house. See, and the door can actually open. What is this? Okay. Now let's open up our surprise figure. Right. Mommy, look! Mommy's gonna like this.
My favorite character?
It's the wardrobe.
How can
Okay, let's see.
when was that ever my favorite character?
No, that was my favorite character.
Oh yeah, that was your favorite.
That's the one
See,
I wanted. I mean, that's
I think
the
it's
one
the
I wanted.
wardrobe. Yeah, it's the wardrobe. I'm going to be opening the Pinocchio in his house. And this is like, I was kind of happy that I got this one because this is not like any like just modern one like Moana, because this is like a real fairy tale classic. And if you can even see his house, it's his workshop, and you can actually see it's actually formed to look like him. See, it's supposed to be like what he wears. This is it, and I'm actually very excited for his surprise figure because I feel like it's gonna be not a common glitter. Stack it up all together. These are the accessories. This is Pinocchio. He's so cute. He looks like a baby. And this is his what do you call this, Dada? Like sewing machine, like for his workshop. Oopsie, sorry. And this is like his tin cans. What are these? Like his cups. Oh no, his paint. It's a paint can. I knew it was something like tin. Okay. Now this is the surprise figure. It's actually meant to look like a door. What is it? Oh, it's a cute little doggy. Let's see if it's a special edition. Okay, now let's look at Pinocchio again. So we have Pinocchio, and together with this dog, she's Nana from Peter Pan. Now we're going to be opening Lilo's house, and Lilo lives on an island, so her house is like very different from others. See, there's like a tree sticking out because yeah, she's I think from Hawaii, and it comes with a surf. So this is Lilo, and this is her house. There's a little glitter there and sparkling on the door, and it says surf lessons because I think her sister holds surf lessons. And then it comes with a little ukulele, and then this is Lilo, and you can even put her on a surfboard. She can go surfing with her sister. Okay, now it's time to open up our surprise figure. It's the rabbit guy from Alice in Wonderland. So it has a radio coming with it. Let's get ready to open the biggest pack of all. So we're going to open this Disney Doorables bigger pack. There's no house with it, I think. But you can get either 5, you can get up to 7 figures here in this Doorable set. So this is so much figures at each side. It holds. Wow, it's like stacked up together. It's so cute. It like all fits in together. Okay, first surprise. What's this? It's the other Lilo and Stitch. We have two Lilo and Stitches already, except this is a different version. Wait, this is, guys, this is like, wait, no. This is the most highest special edition of all. Christopher Robin. See? It's the most special edition of all of the toys. Out of all this, how many, out of all the 67 toys, this is the highest one of all. And we got it! Whoa! This next box. We got a Peter Pan. So we have Peter Pan and Nana already. It's a common.
Empty.
We got a marshmallow from Frozen. Remember the marshmallow like guy? It's really a good one. Wait, who is this?
You too. She's nice, very nice. That's a better.
This house. So we're here.
Hey everyone, I'm back in Manila, and as you can see, this is where I put my Doorables. And I like to display them, but you can also stock up the houses. But yeah, I wanted to put it like this. And those are my other toys from Disneyland. And yeah, this is my favorite one, and Baby Mickey right over here. There. And then I also like Nana because she's a dog, and who doesn't like dogs? Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you'll watch some more. If you like it, please subscribe and give us a like.
Surprise!
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!